So Indiana Jones didn't invite me to her Halloween hop and she didn't think anything would happen? Come on, I'm Maleficent. Something's always about to happen. But I'll tell you, she did finally create a beautiful headband to celebrate Halloween. And if you're here, you must be very special because that means you finished the Halloween hop. So I hope you commented on everybody's channel or on everybody's video for this Halloween hop celebrating Halloween of all things, because if you've arrived here, you have one last task. One task to finish your quest of being entered in the Amazon gift card giveaway. And all you have to do, don't ask the question below so that people watch the video and it'll be fair. All you have to do is answer one question. What is your favorite Halloween candy? What is it that you pick out of your kids' bags? Come on, we know, we call it the mommy tax. We all do it. So tell me, what's that one candy you look forward to buying bags and bags full right after Halloween? Tell me that in the description below, and I'll check out all the other channels to make sure that you made a comment. Again, thank you for participating in the Halloween hop. I hope we've inspired you and given you last-minute ideas for your Halloween. Thanks again. And as I always say, even when I'm dressed up like this, I always say, be safe, be kind, God bless you, and remember to live the adventure. Came out really cute. I'm gonna have to try it on later. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
you have anything there? Oh!